Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Samsung washer SC or 5C error code in 2026. So we need to first of all understand what this error really means. So this particular error actually appears when the water stays inside the drum longer than expected. So your washer tries to drain but something is blocking or slowing the flow. So the issue is usually the drain system and not the wash cycle. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to simply open the washer and check for the water at the bottom. If the water is present, the drain cycle failed. So you need to remove it manually using a container or the emergency drain hose before moving ahead. Now you need to go to the bottom front panel and open the drain filter compartment. Simply remove the filter and clean out the lint or any kind of coins or debris. A blocked filter is the most common reason of the SC or 5C errors. Now you need to also check the drain hose at the back. Just make sure that it is not kinked or bent or clogged. Also ensure that it is positioned correctly in the drain pipe. Afterwards, you need to run a drain or spin cycle and listen. You should hear a humming sound from the drain pump. If there is no sound or weak sound, that means that the pump may be blocked or it is faulty. Now, if your water washer connects to a sink, so you need to make sure that the drain pipe is not clogged, because a blocked drain can also stop the water from exiting the washer. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Samsung washer is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.